knows how to turn those pages, don't you? You know how to turn those pages.
Okay, this is Timothy and
Big Bird.
Great Grandma McClure. You looked at me, Timothy, when I said your name, didn't you?
Oh, yes. Isn't that neat? Oh, now who is
Timothy is
that? Who's the
about
blue?
9.5 months.
I don't know the names of these guys because I was never into this. Let's see, the
Got-
blue fellow is
Is that
Bird.
Cookie Monster? I think the bird you're thinking of is Big Bird is yellow.
Big Bird. Oh,
And blue we have Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster, that's it. And who is this? Who is that? Oh, who is this? There's Timothy. Timothy.